There are many different ways to use renewable energy, and here's one. This is a BioLite Camp Stove. It is a rocket-style stove that uses only tiny twigs to produce fire. A small fan inside the BioLite device. The fan fans the flame to keep the fire going. The heat, of course, heats up your food, and at the same time, a thermoelectric generator is making electricity to charge my smartwatch. As you can see. And the fuel for this entire device is twigs. Just twigs. Let's take a look inside. Not hot, good. There we go. It's like a rocket stove. It is a rocket stove. The flames, of course, are being fanned by the small fan that is powered by the thermoelectric generator, which is making electricity to power the fan and charge my device at the same time. Super cool little stove. Let's add some fuel to the fire. So all you have to do is put tiny twigs down inside the stove. That is Miyagi. Miyagi is a rooster, if you didn't already figure that part out. And he's called Miyagi because on his very first day of life, he leapt off the ground as a little chick and grabbed a nearby fly and ate it. And so we call him Mr. Miyagi. He is also quite noisy. So all you need to do is add tiny twigs to the BioLite to keep it going. Okay, the combustion chamber is full and it's starting to smoke. I can increase the airflow and hopefully help get things going here. And you can also see on the front here, the battery is charging while the fan is running. And this is the flame temperature. And over here we have the watch still charging. So in a minute, we should hopefully have ignition of the new twigs, and then I can go ahead and put the food on now, actually. It'll help direct the flame and create a better burn. So any second now we should have ignition. Sometimes it helps to run at high speed for a few minutes and then drop the temperature down just a little, or drop the fan down just a little bit. So we'll run at high speed, full speed. You hear crackling, that's a good sign. Go to about half now and see if that helps. Oh, maybe 3/4. And of course, as soon as we get to that sweet spot, we will lose the incredible smoke production. It's very smoky because it rained and was very foggy last night, and so the wood's a little damp. The BioLite's really good at drying it out with that fan, and of course the flames down below. We have to get those damp twigs to ignition point and a little bit dried out. even though the flames aren't high yet, we still have quite a bit of heat production, and the food is cooking. When we get to full flame, we'll have it'll boil in no time. You can even see up here steam coming out of the hole going down into the cooking pot, the BioLite pot. Any second now. There it is. Ignition. Biogas has ignited. Or wood gas, I'm sorry. The wood gas has ignited. And it will be time to eat momentarily. Let's look down inside and hopefully not get burned. There we go. Oh, we're already boiling. Oh, look at that. Yummy squash and chicken soup. Squash, chicken, and rice. So now you can't see the flames, but they're still there. Lots of heat. I can't get my hand any closer than this before it starts to be really hot. Woo! Invisible flames. We'll give it another few minutes and then time for lunch. All right, I believe my lunch is ready. We've been cooking now for about 15 minutes. The BioLite has charged itself up just a little bit. You can see we have 3 indicator lights where there was originally only 2. I've turned the fan down to low. The temperature is going up on the left because we're not blowing on the flame as much. The watch is at 22%, and it was about 12% when I started. Let's have some food here. Oh yeah, that's nice. Look at that. I'm going to let the BioLite keep charging the battery on the on charging its own battery. Oh, look at that. That looks really good. Lunchtime. It got so hot it actually burned it a little bit. All right, here we go. Cooked with twigs and science.